How to create shorts on YouTube on iPhone. Want to create engaging YouTube shorts using your iPhone? Let's get started. First, open the YouTube application and ensure that you're signed in. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom center and select Create a Short. Press and hold the capture button to record a new video, or tap the gallery icon to upload an existing video. Add music, text and filters as desired. Once done, tap Next, add a title, then tap the Upload Short. Your short is now live. Share your creativity with the world. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.